Good morning everybody. I'd just like to share this little vintage Christmas journal that I've just completed. This probably will be my last Christmas journal of the year because we're heading into December next week and I haven't got much time now. I'm getting sort of slightly busy and I'm trying to work on a few Christmas presents and things, so it is I think my last one. I say this and then I see something else and it makes me want to do another one, but up to now that's plan. It's my design team project for Artie Mays using her vintage Christmas Days digital kit, which is anyone who's actually seen her other kit called Vintage Days and loved it will love this one as well. It's Vintage Days based on similar sort of kit, but it's very, very Christmassy and it's got lovely, lovely little vintage children, angels, etc. in. But never mind, let me waffle about it, just check it out, it's absolutely lovely. Right, this journal is based on a tutorial that I took a few years back, the Amity Bloom. It's the one with all the flips and tucks and pockets and things. I have sort of changed it a little, sort of to how I liked it, but if anyone is interested in the style, that's where the style did come from. The front, I'll go through the cover first. It's got a little sari silk ribbon on, which just comes away like that. And when I say tucks and thingies, there is a lot of tucks and flips and things, so I'll just go through each page with you. The cover, I've just used one of the papers from the kit. I've just added a little bit of vintage lace, a little bit of gold trim, I don't know what that thing's called. Here I've just used a bit of tulle, bit of cheesecloth, just sewn on a few buttons, and I've added one of the Tim Holtz holiday. I don't know what they're called neither, but there you go. It does measure 7.5 by 5.5. I've already listed it in my Etsy shop, so if anybody's interested, it's already in there for sale. My Etsy shop is Bohemian Rhapsody GB. Right, the first inside cover flick thing, I've just got a little lace pocket here, a couple of little journaling cards and a little tag which I've just added a little robin. Now I don't think the robins are from the kit, they're from another Artie Mays kit, but I have had my Christmas stash out and I've been sort of trying to clear it a little bit. Onto the next page here, I've just done a little belly band. Take these out, you'll probably see it better. And these are the papers from the kit, which, as you can agree, they're absolutely lovely, aren't they? A little angel there, a little beautiful little girl there. I think she's dressed as a snowman. Just put a little cabbage on thing there, whatever them are called. A couple of journaling cards. And these are just the tags that I get from Fat Face. It's a UK shop, not sure if it's an American shop neither, but they do have lovely tags and I do like to keep them and just sort of cover them up with Christmas papers and bits of collage and things. Right, then this turns over some more background paper, just a little die cut I've put in there. Now this flips out, make sure this is, yeah, I think I'm in frame. I've just put a little pocket, there's one of the Tim Holtz dies there which I've just tucked in. Couple of journaling cards. These are not from the kit, but they were lying about in my stash and I don't know where they come from, but I know I've had them for years. Little pocket I've done here with some Battenberg lace, couple of journaling cards and another one of these papers. Aren't they lovely? They look really good for collaging. I've been doing a lot of collage stuff up with them. Then it flips out again. Make sure I'm in frame because it's a bit flippy, and this flips out like that, and here I've just put a little belly band in, some of this gorgeous snow tulle that my friend Tina sent me last year, and I've still got a lot left and I'm dying to get started on some winter journals soon, so I think I'm on to winter journals next, which I love because they can be used right into next year. A couple of journaling cards. I'm not sure if they're from the kit actually, but everything I've used in it is nearly all Artie Mays, although an odd piece might be from another kit, but if I can remember I will point them out. Here I've just made there's a little tuck here in this window pocket with a little tag that I've just covered over. That falls out. Some journaling space there, but I have left some, made it into a little booklet here on the side where I've just put some papers in for journaling. And I know at this time of year I'm the queen of lists, and I've got lists and more lists, but that's me. Just put a little snow tool ruffle at the side here, another one of these papers, and I love that image. That is one of the background papers from the vintage Christmas kits, where I've just printed it onto some vellum because I like the sound of it. I've made a couple of handmade tags in this journal. I've just collaged some little bits and pieces, lace, cheesecloth, plenty of space on the back for writing. Just left that with a little sari silk ribbon. Little pocket here where I've just got some little bits of tags and some paper for journaling on. I won't take all these, that'll be forever. Just some journaling card, some tags which I've collaged up. I think this is another journaling card at the back, yeah. What I love about this Vintage Days kit, you really don't have to do much to it. I mean, how lovely is that for writing on? You don't have to do anything to it. Lines, I do like lines for writing on, but it's just lovely. Here I've got a little snippet I've done at the side, and I don't know if it shows up on the camera, but this is like meant to be a little snowflake, and it's just got pearls and a little bit of diamante on. Another side pocket with a journaling, 2 journaling cards. But do you see what I mean about not having to do anything with it to these journaling cards? They're just lovely, and I love this kit so much. I mean, look at the colours, it's lovely. Just a little tuck here. This was from the kit, this little pocket. Journaling card, tag. One of my Edith Holden December pages, which I don't like parting with, but I have because we're in December. Little tuck up there which just would hide some secret journaling. A little tuck spot here which I found these, I've printed out a bit back onto some vellum, but I just thought they made a nice little, this is not from the kit, it's a lovely little image off Pinterest I think, but it was in my stash so it needs to be used. Some more vellum, and aren't these lovely? I just love the colours and everything in this kit. Just put a little vintage lace snippet. Another pocket done with some lace and some cheesecloth. Some journaling cards which backed with tea stain paper. This is from an old paper pad I've had for years, and I'm not sure whose it is actually. It's one of them I think you pick up at the range or somewhere, but it's sort of coming to the end of it now, but you can journal on the back of it. But I just thought I'll just put it in because I thought the colours went well with the journal. Some more journaling space and a little snippet where I've just added a little button, some more of that tulle, some vintage lace and cheesecloth underneath. Another tag. But I will say this kit is so big, I probably haven't used everything in it. But with it being one of these kits, because there's a lot of flips and tucks in it, they soon get very fat, so I didn't really want to overstuff it. Because I don't like them when they're too overstuffed, but I don't think it's too bad that, and as you can see all the little ruffles and everything at the side. But I just like the colours here. I thought the lace went with the theme of it, vintage, and there's lots of little vintage images in it. Here I've just done a little, it was one of the Artemaze background papers. It just opens up like that, and I've just put a little sticker on which says Post Office Express Delivery. There's a tag in here at the top, journaling card, yeah. But I thought that'd be quite nice for writing secret lists out and hiding them so people can't see them. Here I've just done a little bit of collage with one of the little images, some of the background papers, a few stickers. These I think are from a previous Artie Mays tickets, I think they're called. But I print them onto, it was a tip I picked up from Heidi McGregor actually, thank you Heidi. Why I never thought of it before, I don't know. She prints all her little labels out onto sticky paper, you know, that sticky back paper, and then when you cut them, they're like into little stickers, so it saves messing with glue, which is always a bonus for me. Here I've just done a little embossed piece, and I've covered with tulle, and it just holds a journaling card and a little tag with the 25th of December on. Another little vintage lace pocket here. I love this green as well. Some more journaling space, and I've just collaged up a little journaling card with this lovely image, a little bit of music paper, little sticker thing, backs again so they can journal on the back, large tag, more writing space, little lace snippet. I'm actually getting excited now, Christmas is coming. Not quite sure what I'm doing. We were meant to be going to Poland on 2 weeks on Monday, but apparently the cases are really, COVID cases are really rising in Poland, and all the neighbouring countries have gone back into lockdown. So I've got a funny feeling we won't be going, because I think there's going to be some more restrictions, and I really don't want to go away where you can't go anywhere. There's no Christmas markets, and it looks like another Christmas where I'll be not going anywhere, but I'm not too worried about it. It is what it is, and sort of getting used to it at the moment, but we'll see. Another vellum paper, I can't think what it was called then. Little journaling card here, which I've just put one of these little images from the kit on, and a little sticker, other background paper, some paper for writing. And here I've just made another little tag. God, my memory lately. Which I've just collaged up with some music paper, a little bit of brown wrapping paper, another little vintage snippet at the side, and I think I'm coming up near the end now. Little side pocket, just some little spare papers for journaling on, tag. Oh, isn't that little girl adorable? I've really enjoyed making this journal because I like this style of journal with all the flips and tucks in. I think it's great for keeping stuff, and I hadn't made one since last Christmas, so I thought it's time to do it. But I was hoping to have done some traveller's notebooks using this kit, but like I said, time has just really slipped by for me. Here I've just got a little, coming up to the back page now, there's a little tuck spot here. I can get them out. I think I've put 3 journaling cards in, but of course now I've put them in, I can't get them out. Just from the kit. And I think at the moment, I'm sure I saw last night, there's a sale on it. Artie Mays has got a sale in her shop, so I've checked that out. It's a good time this for buying digital kits and papers. I know it's a lot of digital sellers have got sales on, with it being Thanksgiving over the weekend and Black Friday, and I get confused all this Black Friday, Cyber Monday, whatever. But if you're looking for some bargains in digitals, now is the time I would say to buy them. Here is the back cover, but I've just put a flip over onto it, so that flips out as such, and you can put a picture or something there. I've just done a little collage piece at the back that just says Silent Night. Put another one of these stickers and little bits of paper I had left over, and the back I've added absolutely nothing to that, and how lovely does it look. It just is what it is. As I said, you don't need to do much with this kit, it's lovely. So thank you for staying here watching with me. I hope you've all, those are my friends who celebrate Thanksgiving, I hope you had a lovely day yesterday and you're enjoying the holidays. Take care, I'll catch you all soon, bye.